Have you ever had one of those evenings where you wanted to just sit back, relax, and do nothing? Me too. I created the perfect drink to help do just that. Unwind, relax with a soothing combination of honey and floral notes in my chamomile, honey, and whiskey cocktail. Perfect for a night of self-care. So let's get shaken. Delicious, comforting, and easy to make. Does it get any better? Give this recipe a try the next time you need to unwind. I know you're gonna love it. So let's raise a glass to a queen bee's choice and cheers.